This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing immediate obstacles. Place the router higher and nearer to where you use the phone. Once done, switch bands, choose 2. 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for less interference and higher throughput. This trade-off matters. Make sure to update firmware and your phone OS, then reboot both devices to clear temporary issues. You'll notice signal bars change quickly. Don't stop here, because small placement and band choices set the baseline for further tweaks. You now refine the network. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app and pick a channel with fewer networks to reduce interference. Then adjust physical antennas, tilt them to match the plane where you use the phone so signals reach that area more directly. Next, enable beamforming and set CoS to prioritize your mobile device, which helps latency-sensitive apps. Make sure to test signal strength after each change. This step-by-step tuning isolates which setting gives the biggest improvement. You finish by closing coverage gaps. If a dead zone remains, add an extender or a mesh node positioned midway between router and area. Once done, prefer Ethernet backhaul for mesh nodes to keep full speeds. Make sure to secure the network with WPA3 or WPA2 and recheck channel congestion after adding hardware. If things go wrong, test with a different phone, swap Ethernet cables, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset on the router. This often removes persistent configuration corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.